Democratic Republic of Congo soldiers openly wept near the scene of the ambush, where the colonel in charge of the military operations against insurgents in the eastern part of the country was believed to have been killed. Government spokesperson Lambert Mende said Colonel Mamadou Ndala, who helped secure the military defeat of the powerful M23 rebel movement in November, died of his wounds after a rocket attack on his vehicle near the village of Mavivi in North Kivu province. The government blamed the ambush on Ugandan rebel group ADF NALU. Gunfire was heard near the scene, where a vehicle with a red flag was seen burning, while soldiers were seen crying in the streets. One soldier said they were still trying to confirm Ndala's location.
We do not know where our colonel is. Yes, we know he was ambushed, but after that we have no other information.
3 other soldiers in the vehicle were also killed in the attack. Ndala's killing highlighted the challenge facing Congolese government and a 21,000-strong UN peacekeeping mission in their effort to pacify dozens of armed groups operating in the mineral-rich east of the vast Central African nation. The colonel was in charge of tackling the ADF NALU, which has stepped up its attacks in eastern Congo and has been identified by the UN mission as one of the main obstacles to peace. Mwongeli, CCTV.